a bubble bath? No? We are taking a bubble bath. Look at all those bubbles. Annabelle, can you tell everybody hi? Say hi. Look at these bubbles. Look at these bubbles. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. No? You say hi? Good morning. No? Okay. Annabella's not happy today. What? 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 Oh, okay. So you guys, we haven't been happy for about 2 days now. We all have colds. Well, by all, I mean Mommy, Sebastian, Annabella. Josh and I kind of have it, but they didn't get it to the full extent. Of course, I get it worse than anybody else because I've got other health issues that don't help my case. And then Annabella started to get it yesterday. She started coughing. Today, she's still coughing, but she I don't know. I think she was feeling how I was feeling yesterday. So I gave her a steam bath that tried to help some of the mucus and whatever come out and help her feel better. She's all dressed up. I'm going to make breakfast. I think I'm going to make pancakes. I'm not a big breakfast eater, but the baby has to eat. So I think we're going to have pancakes today. I'm going to get dressed and get out of my PJs. Brush my hair and then throw it back up in a ponytail. And then, I don't know, we'll probably watch a movie. The kids are all off to school. Sebastian's actually with my mom right now. He's going to go to the doctor because he, when he was 3, I believe, he got, croup cough, or, right, croup, yeah, croup cough. And, since then, I would like to say it's come back, every time he's sick. I don't know how that is possible, but yeah. He got it last night, though, at my mom's house, because they stayed the night there, because I've been super sick, and in the past, I would not ask for help, and I would just keep going, and then I would really make myself worse. So I'm trying to tell myself I have to ask for help before I get to the point where I'm gonna, die. So, because Lewis works, I was giving Lewis a break. So I sent them off to my mom's house last night, but he had this really bad cough for the longest time. Said he couldn't breathe, and of course it was hurting him and whatever. And I told Lewis that I think the last 2 times that he had gotten a cold, he gotten this cough again. And I just think that it's not possible to keep getting this cough. I definitely think that there's something else there. My mom has asthma. My brother has asthma. So, I guess my mom was thinking that it could be asthma. I don't know, but we're going to take him in. He's going to go to the doctor. My mom's going to take him in. I think Lewis is going to meet her there. Talk to the doctor. They're going to put me on speaker, FaceTime, since I'm here with baby. And if that is what he has, because croup cough can be contagious, don't need him around Annabelle right now. We'll figure that out after the appointment, but I don't want Annabelle getting that awful cough.
What color is it?
Hey guys. Well, I changed, but I put on some comfy sweatpants. These are my favorite, but I was freezing. And Miss Annabelle, this blanket, I think my dad got it from Walmart or Walgreens. He gave it to me for Christmas. It's got a hoodie. Hold on, if I can find it. It's an owl. super cute. Hold on. Jesus Christ. Okay. See? Then you put your arms through it. And you can just walk around. Cool. Like me, you know? No, but really, it's one of my favorite blankets. One, because I'm a person that gets cold very easily. So, I can just walk around with my blanket all day. And then sleeping, I love having blankets wrapped around my head. Don't know why. But, I do. Oh! And there goes my camera. Hold on. Okay. And anywho, so at night I can sleep like that. And there we go again. That should tell you how cold my house is how hot it is outside. This is her new thing, you guys. She stands here. If I try to close the door, she gets mad. Look. Or if I close this door on her. What are you doing? She wants to eat out of here. Put the top on. Put the top on, please. Put it back. Put it back. She loves food, y'all. Okay. Alright, you can take one. Okay, that's plenty. Alright. Yeah. Close it. Good girl. I bought Lewis this cute basket. Oh, he did put eggs in there. I bought this cute basket from Tractor Supply. Look how cute. It's got like the wire handles to put his eggs in, because he puts them all in my... Can you guys see that? It's super dark because of the light. Oh my gosh. There we go. Kind of. Anyway, he puts all his eggs in my fruit basket. Like, don't go there, love. They don't go there. And the light, I'm sorry guys, it keeps going in and out because it keeps on raining here in Florida, like always. And there are some rain clouds rolling in, so it's like light on one side of my house, it's dark on the other side of my house because the rain is coming. Then of course we've got this hurricane coming. Isn't that lovely? It is hurricane season. It's been hurricane season, but hold that thought. Bow! You didn't get scared. Come on, let's go play in your room. Let's go play in your room. Let's not make a mess in Sebastian's room. Come on. Bye. Let's go. Let's see if I can scare her this time. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go play. Say welcome everybody to my messy room. Ah, messy room. We need to clean your room. Can we clean it today? Sit down. Yay! Go, 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 go! Woohoo! Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's so silly. Okay guys, so like I was saying earlier, we have a hurricane coming. What else is new? And with the hurricane, We are not quite sure which part of Florida is going to get hit. But we know that Florida will most likely get hit. I think most weather stations are waiting to see what happens after it passes Puerto Rico. So we will see. But in the meantime, I and Lewis are kind of like trying to get ready, kind of prep ourselves for a hurricane, because hurricane season does not end till November, and the end of August and all of September is mainly when all the hurricanes decide to pop through. So we know that this probably won't be the end. Hope it is, but it's most likely not. And we've got 4 kids, obviously, and we've got a lot of animals that we have to make sure we have a backup plan for, with water and food, shelter, and all that stuff. So we've been trying to figure out that and preparing ourselves for that. But today, I'm hanging out with this little one until I gotta pick up all my other children. Are you pooping? No? Yeah, you are. Okay. You gotta go night-night. Night-night. Bye-bye. Sebastian, because he's at the doctor. No, it's not Sebastian. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, she's in here now. Jennifer, I got the doctor.
Oh, hello.
How are you?
Well, I'm hoping to feel better. Sebastian's giving everybody his cold.
Yeah.
Tell me what's going on with his cough.
He's got group cough. Whatever that is, that's not group cough.
But why does he keep getting it?
Let me ask the doctor real quick. Doctor? Yes. She wants to bother you. Sure. She wants to bother you.
Annabella.
Well, they can get it more than one. It's a virus. Yeah. Oh, that's right. If he's exposed to somebody, because the last time he got it was back in April. So during the summer, he did wonderful because he was not at school.
Right.
Okay?
I just get worried because every time he gets sick during the school year, he always gets that cough.
So if it happens again in the next month, I might put him on inhalers for asthma. But right now, since it's been May, June, July, August, we're almost in September. Let's watch and see. But next time it happens, come back and then we can talk about that.
Okay.
Okay?
Baby.
Okay.
She gave you some stories for steroids. We'll take care of them. Thank you, my dear.
Okay, so she did give you medicine?
Yeah, he's got steroids for the next 3 days.
Okay.
And he has to stay away from Annabella, she said. It is contagious.
Okay. Baby, she's gonna go to sleep. Are you gonna go night-night? Are you gonna go night-night? Baby? Yeah, baby, you got lots of babies in here. So many stuffed animals in here. Wow! It's just a giant pit of stuffed animals and babies. He does have group cough. It is contagious and it's a infection. He must have caught it from somebody else in class. But every time he gets sick, he gets this cough, and it was really starting to worry me. That it's like every single time, because I was like, how do you get this every time you're sick, kid? But the doctor said that it is common that can happen. But she said the next time he gets it, bring him back in. And bring him back in. And she'll most likely give him a inhaler for asthma if that's the case.
Okay. So this right here, this is the Tampa Bay area, right where my finger is covering. My house is more like shoot. That's the Tampa Bay area here. My house is more like here-ish. Orlando's like here-ish. And that's where it's supposed to hit. So it is kind of like, I don't know. Like, it's obviously, it's coming from where, I don't know. We're kind of screwed. We're just in the middle.
Hey guys. Annabelle, open that. Don't mind me. I am just 0. And, sorry, y'all are a little left-handed. Trying to get in the car. Hold on. I'm trying to get in the car so I can go get Josh and Noah from school. Oh my god, my car's a mess. It smells weird. Probably because somebody left his milkshake in my car. What happened? You want your baby? There's your baby. Tell the camera that we want it to focus. There. Oh, the baby's gonna go down the slide with you? Baby's gonna go down the slide? Are you gonna go? Are you gonna go with the baby? No? Change your mind? Oh, you go, mama. These guys. Change. Somebody's got a black eye. Thanks, Daddy. Keep your ice on it, buddy.
It's hurting me whenever I keep it on there. Dad, my football blocks.
Huh?
It's hurting me whenever I keep it on there.
They were playing rough. I said not to. Nobody listens to me. Anyway, I want to show you guys Annabelle's room since I cleaned it. And I put all her clothes away. Doesn't that look so much nicer? So she's been playing in here. And I will make her bed for her in a few minutes. So that way she's ready for the babysitter. You guys, I changed my clothes. I took a shower. Call me crazy, but don't mind my crazy hair on my little baby hairs. I made a list for the babysitter. Not to mention that it's not a young babysitter, okay? She's an older lady. She's got one kid in high school or just graduated, something like that. She's got a daughter in college. She's a preschool teacher, so she's certified in like CPR and everything. She works with 2-year-olds, so she'll be good with Annabelle. Josh and Noah are obviously going to be here. Their bedtime is at 8 o'clock, so she'll only be here for 30 minutes while they're awake. But I left her a list of, like, my nighttime routine and everything. So, yeah. But, made her job easy. We ordered pizza for dinner. And then, like, Annabella, like, I put her down and I give her a bottle of milk. So I'll have that in the fridge for her. I'm also going to give Annabelle nighttime medicine because she's been coughing up a storm. So I'm going to give her that and she'll be, like, passed out by 8 o'clock. Josh and Noah, I'm a little worried about. I mean, I'm kind of worried about Annabella. But I think because she'll be so tired from the cold medicine that she'll be fine. But I worry about Josh and Noah. Because, you know, it's a little different going to bed, and it's not mommy putting you to bed, but I told her, like, their normal routine, they were fine with it, they seem okay. My phone with them, I wrote her a whole list of emergency contacts, and then, like, the simple rules in the house about, like, only eating in the kitchen, brushing your teeth, you know, stuff like that. Yep. Hi guys. So we left, and well, it was all going so well until Annabella realized that Mommy and Daddy were leaving. And I didn't think that it would be like that noticeable to her, just because.
Is she young?
Yeah, but I mean, like, we didn't say bye or anything. Like,
Nah, she's smart now.
she just, like, I was just holding my blanket. I didn't even have my shoes on.
She's still smart.
Yeah, so she cried. And I wanted to cry in the garage. And Lewis said he was going with her without me.
Soft ass mommy.
But I left the twins with my phone. So I'm waiting for them to text me back and tell me if she stopped crying. So we'll see. They go to bed at 8 o'clock, and I'm sure they're gonna call me or text me and say goodnight. It's like 10 till, so I hope she stopped crying, or I hope she at least went to sleep.
Yeah, we left that late.
So we'll see. We'll see. Hey guys, so we're back home, and I just went and checked up on everybody, and everybody was good. Everybody's sleeping. Everybody knows I'm home. I'm happy to be home back with my babies. So, the movie was really good. And if you haven't seen it yet, I definitely recommend you go see it. So, I'm going to end this video here for the night. And we will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Good night.